In this video we want to talk about how to trade small accounts and how to manage risk, so let's find out how to do that. If you open the navigator on your MetaTrader and go to the accounts section, you most likely will already see one of these green accounts here. This one is yellow because it's a real account. The account number is 5289348. This is the members area of one of my favorite brokers. And when I want to open a new trading account, I can pick if I want to use MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. And one of the account types here is called ProCent. I can pick US dollar or euro. This one still offers leverages up to 1 to 2000. Usually I trade 1 to 500. Now I can pick a password for myself and one for the investor. This investor password comes in handy later on for my statistics. I could also pass an affiliate code here. And this is how my account looks like. And you will notice that it is traded in US dollar cents. So what actually does that mean? Well, if you look to the left side, you can see that I have made a deposit. The deposit was $300. I can use all those money services here. But there is also the option to do an internal transfer. So now I can pick my account, transfer money to one of the other accounts. And this one has a balance of 30,629 US dollar cents. Here is the account balance. And it says 30,629 US dollars. I'm actually trading this account live with my real money. But I didn't need to invest $30,000. I just invested $300 for this account. So when you move from your demo account to a real account, you can pick a cent account, invest $300 to $500, and that would become 30,000 cents or 50,000 cents that are actually traded within MetaTrader like dollars. That makes trading much more scalable because I can now trade all these positions here and I still have a free margin of 29,726 cents. There are some brokers who might offer cent accounts for you. This one is the one that I have used in this case. I don't know if this website is updated on a regular basis, but you might be able to find out yourself. You should be able to find a broker that offers cent accounts for your country. And that's a good way to trade real money under real conditions. You will make real profits and you will pay real fees. This is the account statistics on FX Blue. I would encourage you to use a statistics service right away. Today is April the 23rd. So far the account is performing well. So now you know how to set up a cent account and do a lot of trades with real money, even with a small budget. And in this little video you have learned how to set up a cent account in a few minutes.